Okay, so let's talk about TRCH and the price that it hit our resistance area. Congrats about the people actually took profit around the $6.61. As we said here in the last video, me guys, perfect. We hit around the $6.61 today and we got rejected. As you can look today, we got around the $6.61 precisely, and we went as low as the $5.38. So now we're gonna talk about if you're late to the party, when you're gonna buy again, where we'll see a big squeeze for the price again, and what we should expect for the price for this week and the next week. So without further ado, press the like button. Let's get right to hunt, guys. So look with me closely what's happened, guys. The price exploded for TRCH because we have a really good news like fundamental regarding like the merger and regarding a lot like dividends and special dividends and a lot of things going on for TRCH. That's why we saw a lot of buying pressure and the gap at the 15th of June. And after we went here, a lot of my Patreon and my hunter on Patreon asked me where we should take the profit. So the take a profit, I even did the video yesterday, and I told you guys to have the price around the $6.61, and after that we're gonna see explosion or big squeeze. So that's why I told you guys to take a profit. Profit is good. And now what we should expect, the price actually dropped. Look at this point, because this is really important rejection area where the last support or resistant for the for short sellers. That's why we saw the price rejected and go back at $5.38. So now what we should expect, now we have the support around the $4.74. If you want to get in, there's a two scenario or two strategy, either to wait until to see confirmation candle above the $6.61, and here we're gonna see explosion above, and you just put your stop loss below the $5.93 and just ride it. This will be really good strategy. The other one, guys, the other one I can look from here. The perfect support is around the $4.74. We should hold this support. Any price will go. We're gonna see the price go back around the gap. We're gonna feel the gap around the $3.80 or the $4 even around the $3.61. So this is will be the other support for TRCH, and you could actually buy if the price will go down. But from my point of view, with all the fundamental, with all the good news, we should see a hold up at least around this level, around the $4.70, and any price here will be really good to buy until we see a rejection or a test for the $6.61. So this will be a really good test. So it's not good, guys. Always said never buy when the price did it move up. We need a bit of rejection and consolidation. So this is healthy to see a bit of consolidation before we see a big explosion up above the $6.61. So a lot of people, and like they said, will go to 10, 20. I don't care about this because a lot of things could happen in between. So if you're a long holder, everything could happen between today and tomorrow. Heck, nobody knows what's gonna happen to us, you see? So the idea is just count on what's happening now, because now the only thing that we can control the past or the future. The more you think about the past or the future, you have more stress, and you can live in the moment, and you be actually missing a lot of opportunities because you just been worrying about lost trade, or I lost to make gain with AMC, or I don't know, whatever. So the idea is never complain about what's opportunity you miss or the things that you should have done. No, just learn from it, and we just learn and just move on, guys. Never fixate about anything. So this is the game plan, guys. We should see a big squeeze around the $6.61. Any price hold up, we're gonna see a big explosion. Any price hold above this, we see a consolidation to test against $6.61. Any price will go below this level, $4.74. We're gonna see the price go as low as the $4 and maybe even the $3.68. So be careful from this, but we're gonna hold above this level because we have a really good strength. Fundamental news actually pick us up with the TRCH. So we'll see how high will go, and at the same time always protect yourself, take your profit and the way so you have risk-free trade. That's why we do what we do here. Always take our profit, always never have 100% sure about anything. Have your probability set and know where's your exit strategy, into the strategy, and have written numbers so you never be stressed and confused. So without further ado, press the like button and comment in section below if you have any question. What's your average in TRCH, and what's your plan for holding? Are you holding for 1 year, 2 years? So we know who's in our channel actually long holder or a swing trader, so we know some bit of information, and at the same time we learn from each other and see who's actually making more money, like long holder or the swing trader, so we can actually learn from each other, guys. So without further ado, press the like button and let's see you in the next video.